Here are the tools we'll make, and here are the materials you'll need. Hi folks, this is Amy the Potter, and I am here to invite you to my tool making workshop. I use several tools that you cannot buy, you have to modify, you have to make them yourself. And so for the low price of 25 bucks, you can join me for a couple of hours and make some for yourself. I need all of my cohort people to have these, and so I want them there, and there's room for more. We're going to make a footer out of either a kitchen knife if you have a bench grinder, or an old credit card if you don't have a bench grinder. We will also be making a magic rib, and a magic rib is a modified one of these. So you need one of these. Get yourself one of these, or pull out the one that you never use because they're almost totally ineffective. Wheel throwers, I don't know what we use these for if we didn't modify them. We are going to be making single-stranded cutting wires. You will need an old cutting wire that you don't use anymore because it started to cut you, because it started to poke you with the pieces that break and stick out. Those are our starting points for making the single-stranded cutting wire. So hopefully you have an old cutting wire around. And we will be making clay rulers. So here is a bisque version and a finished version of my Klamath yellow clay. You can tell that the bisque is bigger because the finished one shrunk. And what you need to make that is a ruler that has raised bumps. Mine is flexible and I really like that. And you'll just use this forever with every different kind of clay that you use. Last thing is we will be making broccoli rubber band chamois. So bring a broccoli rubber band also, and then you will have all of the unique tools that I use in my production pottery. And I hardly use any tools besides a sponge, maybe a couple others, but basically those are the ones I use. I'll pop the link to register somewhere around here, and let me know if you have any questions.